Hi Hank, my name is Miss Shayla. I spoke to Kay on the phone yesterday who told me to send this video over to you. I am just calling local carpet cleaners in your area, going over your websites with you, showing you how to get free leads just from your website alone, as well as discuss your overall online presence. This is all free information. I just ask that you give me a quick email after you're done watching this just to let me know what you thought, and I would greatly appreciate it. So to get started, having a background in digital marketing, I can tell you that Google looks for three specific aspects when ranking different websites along the Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important factor for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. I do see that you have a little bit here on your homepage, but not a lot. So let me give you an example and tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So knowing this, Google does a sweep every few weeks of the internet and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So you could be on page 5 and then move all the way up to page 3 just for good quality content and enough of it on your site. So I'm going to recommend that you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. Doing this, you're going to get found for your business name more than you are now, as well as getting ranked higher by Google moving you up that platform. With that said, on every additional service page, we recommend that you have between 750 to 1,000 words of content. So this actually doesn't look too bad. I'm sure you're probably right up there on the cusp of where you need to be. So that's perfect. With that said, for every additional page that you have on your website, you're adding more content, right? So if there wasn't enough content here, adding more, again, would add to the amount of content to your site, which again, we know that Google loves content, so that would just cause you to move higher up that platform. But it also allows us to put appropriate keywords on every service page we offer. So if this is a carpet cleaning page, which it is, we would put carpet cleaning keywords specific to your area and the ones that people are looking at a lot or typing in a lot. And those specific keywords need to be in the text. So like, instead of carpet cleaning in your area, we should have like carpet cleaning Rayleigh NC, for instance, within that site. That way Google finds you specifically when a specific search for that keyword is done. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is called Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, only about one person is coming to your website every month. And part of it is because you're not ranking for enough keywords. So if you look at this, you're only typically ranking for Chem or a few capital city ones. But even for your own business name, you're at number 13. So you're already on page 2, which means people aren't finding you. In this day and age, people do not like to dig for search results. Anytime someone types in a specific keyword, they want to know who's the best, who's the top rated, where's the most reviews, and go from there. So knowing that that's what they want, getting a page 1 position is going to be crucial for you getting found by more people. So how do we do that? I'm going to show you a competitions page and just show you their rankings, okay? This is Carpet Pro Cleaners, and they are currently on page 1 for a Google search. And as you can see, they're getting about 481 people per month coming to their site. They're also ranking for over 1,000 keywords. So what we would do is we would come and we would look at the keywords that they're ranking for. Carpet cleaning Chapel Hill, Holly Springs. I don't know if these are areas that you service. I'm just using them as an example, but you can see that like carpet cleaning Cary, North Carolina, 400 people search that every month, and they're getting 36 people coming to their site because of that keyword. So just having the appropriate keywords for your area is going to be huge for you ranking. So I do that to show you that the possibility is there, and getting good keywords put on your content and your website is crucial to being found by people. Next, I'm going to take you to these two numbers, okay? This UR is directly related to citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business's name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. When I do a basic keyword search, carpet cleaning Raleigh, North Carolina, in your area, these top 3 people are going to get the most results based on visibility alone, right? Which is what every small business owner wants. We want our business name and information to be in front of and exposed to as many people as possible. So securing a top position on this GMB is going to be crucial. So adding more and more citations are going to start to move you up this GMB ladder. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has to know how many you would need to beat them and secure a top position, and I can definitely go over those numbers with you if you'd like. But in doing so, you're going to cause this UR number to climb, and I'll tell you why these numbers are important in just a second. Next, this DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains, and a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting our backlink on a good quality trusted domain that has a lot of traffic to it is going to throw a lot of that influence back to our site. So even though you see that you've got your business's website on 14 different domains and have 82 backlinks, it's not giving you any DR, right? This number isn't affected at all, meaning that these aren't great quality links. So we need to get good trusted domains to host our backlinks, and then that's going to cause this DR number and a lot of influence to come to our site. Now, why are these two numbers important, right? As you can see here, you've had a lot of up and down, a lot of instability, right, over the last several months, and so this is going to cause a lot of stability. Both of these numbers climbing are going to get you more linear stability within the internet. Well, I hope this was good information for you. That's all I have for you today. Please send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this information. I would greatly appreciate it, but that's all I have, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.